go. For the A bottom?
Hit the bottom button, huh?
Good job. I think that's going to be a good one. Yep, you're going to get some. Awesome. Can you believe how good she's doing?
Yes.
Of course, she's awesome.
Oops. Oh, too soon.
Too soon.
I have to swing my arm. Oh, oh, oh. Go, 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 ball, go, go. Oh, goodness. Thank goodness.
You have to get a whole bunch of points. A whole bunch. Bottom.
Good swing. Good job. You hit 2 pins. Good job, sister.
She's doing a good job.
Did you learn how to hold the button right?
Yes.
That's great. Yes, baby, you have more turns to go. First, push the A button.
Oh, you didn't let go.
Oh, you forgot to let go.
You forgot to let go of the bottom button. Go. Gotta let go, baby. Gotta let go of that bottom button. Let go.
Oh, almost.
Almost had me. One more shot.
Good one.
Okay. Good one.
That's my big girl.
Oh, yay. I had one more time.
She just wants to keep going.